Please note that the following content is not meant for children under 13. Hey everybody, it's SaskiaSketches and I filled up my sketchbook like literally 5 minutes ago, so I guess we're filming a sketchbook tour. Hey guys, so this is what my sketchbook looks like from the front. I always have a ton of fun decorating my sketchbook with stickers, like especially Metabot stickers if you couldn't tell already, and I've got a couple Pokemon here and a few dogs as well, and I usually put my name or my username on here as well, as like, hey, the sketchbook is mine. If you find it, message me, but I've never lost a sketchbook before, so I guess it's fine. And also have this little charm on here, this little Doberman thingy. I made this together with a friend of mine. And on the back we have a couple stickers as well, and yeah, a few Metabots things, Pokemon again, a couple birds, and this band I attached as well. Okay, so, and then here are a couple more collagey things. I have a couple of my own artworks here as well, because this one is mine, that one is mine, that one is mine, and stickers. And then here I have another collage, I guess, like just a ton of like artwork that I've put in here. I hope you can see it all. I have a couple thumbnails here as well. So we've got welcome and to my sketchbook. And then we've got the dates where I finished it, and a couple more sketches, artworks. I really like this collagey style, but I don't think it's for me. I guess I just like my sketches to be a little bit more visible and not as drowned out. Okay, so here we have Smaug. We've got a couple Inktober pieces here, yeah, and Tyrannosaurus Rex skull, there you go. Couple thumbnails. We've got Kling, and I believe Clang is over here. Oh, that's Clang, that's Kling. We've got some Wolfsrain. Took far too long to finish that anime again. And here are a couple sketches for the plushie that I made of Dewey. Dewey's my character. And I might make a video on sewing in the future, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but it's a ton of fun to make plushies. And we've got some non-Baka sketches here, and here's Joey, of course, and we've got some more. It's me and Rogues, me and Wanna, there's Patch, and we've got Ton. I'm gonna have to go through this rather quickly, sorry, because I didn't want to make an hour-long video. There's Robin and Rogues, and a couple sketches. The Eagles are coming, and here's some Ace Pride. Let me see. Oh yeah, this was for a Scroller Box video. And here are the sketches I did there. That's the print that came with it. And there's Atsuron and Hercules. And we've got Snow. Snow's my Metabot character, and a dragon who's been shot quite badly. Some Inktober stuff, and that's Mob Psycho 100, and there's Joey. Here is more Joey. You can see that. There's even more Joey. Oh gosh, it's so hard. I always have these like things you can fold out because I really love putting those in my sketchbook, but my gosh, it does make it harder to make sketchbook tours. And then we've got Aya. And a couple thumbnails for this, which is a storyboard. So I actually made a video about this, so if you want to see the storyboard, you can go check that video out. There's the Cusco from the Emperor's New Grove, and there he is again. We've got Zelia and Kuro, and me and Ace. Let me see if we can turn this, and a Joker as well. And a meme, because yeah, I'm like that. We've got a phone, we've got Erased. I was binge watching Erased with a friend of mine, and I would sketch some of the characters out. And there's Henry from Metabots, And we've got Rave and Zuko and Aro. Turn this for you. Yeah, there they are. Ooh. And flowers, I guess. Oh, this I did for a video as well. I coloured a commission piece that I got from Holly Brown. And here's this. We've got a couple elemental animals, made a list of all the elemental animals, and there's Maya, so it's Hercules, Robin, Ice. We've got Milo, and here's Jewel, and there's the markers bled through to the other side, so I just sketched over it. And we've got Blue and Jacques and Coda, and that's Lily. And here we have Lyra, and we've got Zevi and Jacques together. And I was actually imagining, hey, if they would be sparring, like what would happen, what would be like. I thought it was fun. They got stuck, so I had to free them here, and then they're gonna try again. And there's me and Beres, though it's it hasn't printed very well. It's always sucks because I want to stick digital art on my sketchbook too, but it usually just comes out like this, and that's not really ideal. Got some sketches. Yeah, River used to be a tiger, but then I was like, yeah, I want River to be a lioness, so that's what happened. Here are all my characters that are not from my book. So like Clang Clang, Mary Ann, that's Alpha. We've got Nero, Tiberius and August, Costin, Spy, what's her name again? Scarlet, Ethan, Merichin and Lee. And oh, I got some Treasure Planet because my gosh, it's my favorite film. And here are some sketches I did for my channel. And here's the sketch for the banner and the sketch for the intro and the outro and everything. And here's the oh yeah, I was watching what was it, the Lady and the Tramp live action film, and I was like, oh, I want to draw myself in that. Like, I was really inspired by the outfits. I want to have a Doberman someday, but yeah, I want to have a dog in general someday. Man, I love dogs. And here is the first sketch I did of River as a lioness, and this is where I was like, yeah, okay, I like this much better. And here's some more of that, and oh, we got some Voltron, because I was rewatching Voltron with my little brother, so I wanted to redraw them. Yeah, so here's the thumbnail sketch, and this for the outro images, and this for the intro. I was originally planning to have like a really longer intro, like, I don't know, like anime style. And maybe I'll make that someday, but I really like this idea though. I just kept this. And here we've got some life drawing. More life drawings, gestures, and it's Gestures of Moose. It's a dog that I babysit, pupsit, I guess. And I wasn't feeling too well, so I drew this. It's cool, I guess. And a portrait. And here we have some Maggie gestures. Maggie's also a dog that I dog sit. And it was River again. Got Dewey, some more life drawing. Oh, and this is so much fun. Like, oh, this is the MetaBeast voice actor, and he commented on one of my posts. I don't know if I tagged him or anything, but oh yeah, I think I liked some of his posts, and he came to me and he just, he's so cute, isn't it? So sweet. It makes me so happy. Oh, and this commission I bought, because one thing that I really like to do is buy emergency commissions from people that really need the money, and then paying them double or something because they really need it. And this is a piece I did for the video of taking over Jazz's channel, which sadly didn't get picked, but I understand why, because it wasn't really something that you would see on Jazz's channel. Especially after seeing the videos that did get featured, I really understand why it didn't get picked. And yeah, we have some more sketches, horses, and there's Clang. And this I did for a video as well. It's trying to gouache. And some more life drawing and some thumbnails for this piece. And oh, Pokemon! because I'm having so much fun playing Sword and Shield. So I have my Pokemon and a random cling. But it's not really random because I made stickers out of that one and this one. And yeah, there's some more Pokemon. Some more Pokemon, some more Pokemon, some more Pokemon. And here's some life drawing. These are very, very light sketches. Maybe you can see that if I hold them up close. These are some of my stuffed animals. And horses. And ooh, I really like this. I actually drew this on a live stream I did over on my Instagram. I just asked people, hey, what should I draw? And people were like, owl, salamander, snake. It's like, yeah, let's go. And I did this for a video too. And oh yeah, there's another storyboard. Sadly, I can't show this one because it has copyrighted music in it. And here's some more river sketches, and these one have gotten a bit dirty, which is sad. But I really like this. And some thumbnails, and here's more river, this more river, this Edward Elric and Henry. And this one I did for a scroller box. It's me and Metagross. And it's me and Appleton. I love Appleton, he's so sweet. I'm so happy to have an Appleton, oh my gosh. We've got Quiric. I think I drew this for a video as well. And me trying gouache again. And I did this for a video too, because I did this with JD and we filmed the video together and that was fun. I've got some Pokemon stickers and Kermit. And ooh, that's Bert. And we've got some more Henry. And oh, this is Sesame Street stuff. Maria's new character. And we've got Drago. And some more Moose. And here's some more Maria. And I guess that could be Zevi. Didn't specify. And we've got a landscapey. And then we've got some more drawing of my stuffed animals. I've really fallen in love with drawing stuffed animals. And these are my Pokemon stuffed animals. Not all of them. I've got more. But a couple. These were the ones that I had at a time of drawing that. And that's Joey as a Pokemon. And this didn't print at all. And here's me getting back into Inazuma 11. More Inazuma 11. And we've got Ton. More Inazuma 11. And there's Hercules. There's a landscape. There's August. And there's V. And we've got some more characters. These are all the characters from my book / screenplay, which might even be out now. I don't know when this video is going to come up, but yeah, that's fun. Or like at least the first episode. And this is a collab I did with Hadidi Creator. Oh, this is so much fun. And here are all these sketches I did for that, because I sketched a lot for that. Here's some more sketches, and some more sketches. And these are more life drawing / stuffed animal drawing. And some more of that. Oh, we've got Nerva. And like, well, I still don't know whether Xavier Arts is going to allow me to use this character in my comic that I'm going to be drawing after I finish the screenplay, but he drew a sketch of this and I was like, oh my gosh, I love that so much, and I made a character based off of it, and I really hope I can use it. But he hasn't come back to me yet, so yeah. And that one I was trying to help Charlotte System Art figure out a pose. And oh yeah, this I did for a video too. And here's a comic with Inazuma 11 characters. Let me see, this big one, yeah. Some more of that. And I've got a Doberman explosion or something with watercolors. And we've got Piers. I love Piers. Piers is so much fun. It's a fun character. And here we have Nero, August and Tiberius again, and hopefully maybe Nerva will join the gang. And we've got Salamon, that's Salamon, that's Digimon thingy design that I don't know, the one that I came up with. And we've got some more life drawings of Strike and Blitz, so me like really hoping that the National Dex is gonna come to Pokemon Sword, because I really want my Pokemon to get back into I want to take them to Gala. Like, oh, okay. And here's some of Keon. I really like this sketch. And we put Pokemon comic, just one. Just an idea I had. If you want to read it, you can just pause it. And more Pokemon. This is like puppy versus a dog that's all grown up. So when they're like nibbling on you, oh, it's cute. But then when he tries it, it's like, no, stop. And Shinx on your head is cute, but if Luxray tries, it just squashes you. And this was for a video too. This collab it with Weblight Dreams. Yeah, and this is also a little manga comic pagey. This is some sketches for this painting, and this is a portrait I tried, and some thumbnails too. Just one thumbnail. And we've got some Gentelman sketches, a Sphinx cat, an actual Sphinx, and there's Edward Elric, and we've got some what's it called? Life drawing gestures, I guess. And we're almost done. Oh my gosh. So these are some sketches of my school supplies, and I tried to bring them to life, except this one is just my bag. And yeah, here I tried redrawing these like football cards, football stickers, whatever you'd call them, with Inazuma 11 characters. I think that's fun. And here is me figuring out how I'm gonna make a Rowlet birthday cake, because it's almost my birthday. And it will probably have been my birthday once this video comes up, but anyway, we've got some Costin and a Meriton and Spy, and Costin trying to draw him from this side so you can see a scar. And ooh, this is fun. Here's Draco, because I try to figure out how large his wings would have to be in order to actually take him into the sky, because clearly these are normal proportions. These wings are just too small to actually get him into the sky, because he's clearly too heavy for these small wings to carry him. So I actually calculated how large his wing, how large the area on his wings needed to be in order to make him fly, and this is the actual proportions that you probably see, which is really fun to figure out. And here's the last page. And I was like, I didn't even realize I was filling my like it was full until the last page. It's like, wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's the last page? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. And here are some Metabots and Pokemon stickers as well, so just decorate the back of it. And yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more art videos every single Friday. Have a great weekend, guys, and keep on sketching. Bye!